Menteri Katanai Kokot Kakia, Jonga Jela, Uba Hek Ulamaha, Mikpetba, Yo Wan Biang Coronavirus Hakasin Gabaar, Lani Kataka second wave Bakiong. Habekran Beglap Thai Kubor, Uba Hek Ulong, Bawatla Kajela, Kam Kami Lenti Yakani, Henry Kipetba, Kidiban Husiar, Ban Bot Lenti, but Bandumle Sting Yakikendon Jong Sarkar.
Now it has been decreasing. Okay. So we have very less cases now, but even then I appeal to all the people to be complacent. We have to be as much as possible, not as much, but we have to follow, adhering with the protocol to avoid any kind of spreading. So now, of course, with God grace, the cases are very less in our states. See, now should not be complacent. Anything, anytime can happen. We are not expecting the second wave in Meghalaya, but we have to prepare for any eventuality. Anything happen, anytime, any moment. People should be very alert and take care of themselves and adhering to the protocol given from time to time given by the government health department. I saw many of our people, which is, I'm not saying that it totality in all, but I've seen people, so many, majority of our people are very disciplined, very disciplined. I saw they are wearing masks, they are maintaining the social distancing, and also the hygiene. So this is all shows that we are not expecting the second wave because people are alert and also disciplined by themselves.